In our previous video, we saw how to create forms from models and how to handle model forms in views. Here we'll cover how to add comments to the post detail template. Adding comments to the post detail template. We've created the functionality to manage comments for a post. Now we need to adapt our post_detail.html template to do the following. Display the total number of comments for the post. Display a list of comments. Display a form for users to add a new comment. First, we'll add the total comments. Open the blog_detail.html template and append the code inside the content block using this code. We're using the Django ORM in the template, executing the query set comments. Count. Now that Django template language doesn't use parentheses for calling methods, the with tag allows us to assign a value to a new variable that will be available to be used until the end with tag. You can see here. The with template tag is useful to avoid hitting a database or accessing expensive methods multiple times. We use the pluralized template filter to display a plural suffix of the word comments depending on the total_comments value. Template filters take the value of the variable they are applied to as an input and return a computed value. We'll discuss template filters in section 3, extending your blog application. The pluralized template filter displays an S if the value is different than 1. The preceding text will be rendered as 0 comments, 1 comment or n comments. Django includes plenty of template tags and filters that help you display the information in the way you want. Now let's include the list of comments. Append these lines to the blog after this code. We use the for template tag to loop through comments. We display a default message if the comment list is empty, telling our users there are no comments for this post yet. We enumerate comments with the for loop counter variable, which contains the loop counter in each iteration. Then we display the name of the user who posted the comment, the date, and the body of the comment. Finally, you need to render the form or display a successful message instead when it is successfully submitted. To do that, add these lines just below the previous code. The code is pretty straightforward. If the new_comment object exists, we display a success message because the comment was successfully created. Otherwise, we render the form with a paragraph P element for each field and include the CSRF token required for post requests. Let's open the shell and run the development server. Then open this link in your browser and click on a post title to see its detail page. You'll see something like this. Add a couple of comments using the form. They should appear under your post in chronological order as shown here. Now open this link in your browser. You'll see the admin page with the list of comments you created. Click on one of them to edit it. Uncheck the active checkbox and click the Save button. You'll be redirected to the list of comments again, and the active column will display an inactive icon for the comment. It should look like the first comment as shown. If you go back to the post detail view, you'll notice that the deleted comment is not displayed anymore. Neither is it being counted for the total number of comments. Thanks to the active field, you can deactivate inappropriate comments and avoid showing them in your posts. Brilliant! So, we saw how to add comments to the post details template. Next video will demonstrate the tagging functionality.